Alright, what is up you guys? Julian Shaw here. We are talking about vision boards today. So look, I get it. You think this is all a bit woo-woo, it's all a little bit new age. It's actually scientifically proven. Visualization techniques boost performance. The notion behind it is that what you focus on expands. So if you are visualizing a positive outcome, you are more likely to achieve it. Ooh! Damn, I'm feeling so fired up. That is the state of mind you should be in when you do your vision board. You need to connect to some positive feelings. So if you're not feeling positive, get some rest, recharge. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be putting on my board and why. This is everything. There have been so many times on this journey that I wanted to quit, whether it's acting, whether it's filmmaking, whether it's my own fitness. There's just a thought of fuck it. That's when you need sleep. With that said, sometimes you just need a little message to keep going. I'm sure there's gonna be some cold mornings when I come into my home gym and I don't feel like working out, I feel like crap, and I'm just gonna look at that and I'm gonna think, keep going, one day at a time. 1 million, that's how many channel views I want on YouTube. Compounding. I read a great book called Mastery. Mastering anything, it's really an exponential curve. It compounds. But the hardest yards are at the beginning. That's the trial and error. That's where there's seemingly no progress. And that really pulls me along through the hard days. That all this effort is going to compound. Just some good old-fashioned body goals right here. So hell yeah, I'm gonna put that on the wall. I just have had so many people telling me, no, you can't do this, you can't succeed. It's too crazy, your dreams are too big. And I thrive on that shit. I eat that up for fucking breakfast. I'm all about this. I thought this was super cool. It was all the stuff that people were saying about the Patriots. They're done, too old, dynasty's dead, can't win on the road, fell off a cliff. It was fuel for the fire, and they did go on to win the Super Bowl. And I'm trying to win in what I'm doing, and sometimes I'm using that negativity and hate to fuel me. Gets me fired up, man. The thing I really love about Brady is just the absolute pure emotion. I want to do things in life that make me feel that way. I love this image. This was about 5 minutes before the All Blacks won the World Cup for the first time in many years. But this is the captain. He's playing with a broken foot, playing blind because his eye's been gouged. And he's just picking himself back up to get through that last 5 minutes. And there are gonna be days where you're feeling like this, where you're feeling like shit, where you're feeling empty, where you're feeling down. That is when you just gotta pick yourself up. So I like to have an image of the low point. And that's my go-to image, you know, when life's really kicking my ass. I think about Richie playing on a broken foot and just picking himself up off the ground. I was there live. I get goosebumps thinking about it. Just picking yourself up off the ground and keep going. That's how you win. Alright, so here's the deal. When you're trying to manifest, you're thinking about values. This one represents passion. This one represents perseverance. So when I just look at that image, I get this whole cascading effect, all these positive associations just like trigger through my mind, right? You know, you gotta pick an image that just fires you up. What is that for you? You know what it is. So Google it, find it, cut it out of a magazine, whatever it is, stick it up there. You gotta have another little board with it, which is key words that you can update all the time. I have a blackboard and I use chalk that I can erase. I'm gonna show you mine because I think it's gonna help you with yours. So you get really granular here into the nitty gritty. So we've got acting here. These are the key words that I'm gonna look at before I do an audition. You can think about your love life and, you know, just a reminder, help my girlfriend. Be present. These are just reminders for my personal life. Vision boards, they're obviously very self-focused, but you need something other than yourself. And for me, it's about giving to my partner. That is my ultimate why. So I got one more little picture I gotta put up here on the board. All right, now I feel like my vision board is complete. Yeah, that's a very personal thing to show, but screw it. Maybe you have someone in your life like that, you should probably have them on the board. Maybe it's a family member, maybe it's one of your kids, or maybe it's the man or woman of your dreams that you haven't even met yet, and maybe you can write down the qualities of that person that you want in your life. I'm actually going to share my manifestation journal from about like 5-6 years ago, before I ever moved to the States, and I'm going to reveal whether any of it came true. Life definitely hit me hard. I'm sure you're going to make fun of me for all my Brady pictures, but screw it. I like Tom Brady. Who do you like? Who gets you fired up? Leave a comment, let me know. I'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for watching.